Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you a project where I used React.js, Redux, Redux Toolkit, React Rotterdam, and Animate.css. The project is a grocery store and it has two screens. The first one, you can see the entire product and you can add products to the cart. If the quantity of the product is 0, the button will be disabled. The second screen, you will check the products that you have picked, and you can visualize the total price of the products. Besides, you can delete a product and the total price will be updated according to that change. The quantity of the product removed from the cart will be restored on the first screen. In the navigation section, you have two buttons. The first one will handle the theme if you want a dark or light theme, and the other button that also shows the quantity of products you have selected will send you to the cart screen. In this opportunity, let's be focused on Grids and Redux Toolkit, because they are the heroes on this project. About grids, it is a way that you can work with when you want to show many elements in the same place. At least that's how I see it. And you have the liberty to organize those elements in a way that you feel would be good for the project. I'm not used to using grids until I use it on this project, and I realized you can do much with it with little code. It's good to have an alternative that avoids immediate queries, and that way your code on CSS won't be so long. Don't get me wrong, if you need it on a project, use it, but in this case, it was very helpful. The way that I handled grids for this project was by checking a video from this channel on YouTube, Codely TV. I hope that I pronounced it well. Subscribe to their channel, they showed good stuff about programming, and I forgot they speak in Spanish, so if that's not your native language or second language, you will learn two things: code tips and a new language. When I saw the video, I thought that it was a very cool approach that I could have with grids, so if you have the opportunity, give it a try. And talking about Redux Toolkit, I'm still not sure if Redux Toolkit will replace Redux as well, or if it is another way to work with it. If you have the right answer for that, it would be good to know, so thanks in advance. But in this project, I give it a try to see how to work with it. And it turns out interesting, because I have experience using Redux, and what I could tell about Redux Toolkit, it was that using it, you will work with reducers and actions in the same place. At first, it is strange, but in some way, it is better to have both together. You won't get lost find the action file according to the right reducer. And with Redux Toolkit, you will handle each reducer like slides. And every time that I say slides, it comes to my mind a pizza. So probably I'm hungry. But being serious about the slides, I used two slides for this project. One for updating the state about the products, and the other to handle the themes. If you are wondering about how I handle changing themes, I work with var in SAS files, and I create a function on the project that evaluates the current theme, and according to that, it will update the values from theme slides. I will leave my GitHub link if you want to practice with that. If you want to practice more or get new knowledge, feel free to check my GitHub repository or check my website portfolio. There are some projects that you could get interested too. I hope this helps you in some way. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon.